Hydroxychloroquine, is it a miracle drug or a death pill? The question is back. Remember, we informed you yesterday that the World Health Organization had slammed the drug yesterday. And the debate, of course, is a serious one. One of the world's oldest and best-known medical journals, Lancet, has published a new study. It says hydroxychloroquine raises the risk of death. The World Health Organization had suspended hydroxychloroquine trials, but India will continue to use the wonder drug. The Indian Council of Medical Research has claimed that the HCQ possesses antiviral properties and its benefits outweigh the side effects. Meanwhile, it has also cautioned that the antiviral drug must not be consumed on an empty stomach.
We had thought that it may be a useful drug for prophylaxis, for prevention of COVID, and taking the biological plausibility, taking the in vitro data, and taking the availability and the safety of this drug. We had recommended it for as empiric use under strict medical supervision about a month and a half back. And then we also said that some studies should be started and to look at where is hydroxychloroquine performing. During these 6 weeks or 5.5 or 4.5, 5, 6 weeks, we got some data in India, and they were mainly observational studies. Some of them were case control studies, which and some of us were observational studies in different cohorts, which were done at AIMS, was done at ICMR, the case control study, and also in 3 public hospitals within Delhi. And now it was very difficult to do a randomized trial of something which we say may benefit. So randomized trial was not possible. So we looked at the data from these observational studies as well as from the case control studies, and what we found that it may be working. So therefore, and we also found that there were no major side effects except nausea, and that was from the Indian Pharmacopoeia Commission results of all the people that were being monitored for hydroxychloroquine. And therefore we found that much of them were complaining of nausea or vomiting and some palpitations occasionally.
Despite the reservations from the scientific community, India will use the drug, both for treatment and as a post-exposure preventive measure. In fact, India is one of the largest makers of this drug. It is being exported to 55 other countries. India is not alone in this. A French doctor has also dismissed WHO's verdict on hydroxychloroquine. Dr. Didier Raoult has hailed HCQ as a miracle treatment for the coronavirus.